Today I am going to show about different types of tutorial. So because many viewers was saying that they need 2D drawing for practice, so that's why today I am showing about 2D drawing, some 2D drawing. So please watch, be carefully. So I am sharing my some 2D drawing, so I think you will get many help from this 2D drawing. Okay, let's start. This is the 2D drawing, and this is my it was make me, and I make the 2D drawing. There are many dimension. Just if you want to sketch this or make this, you will follow this 2D drawing and practice. If you want to expert on solidworks, you have to practice lots of practice. Without practice you cannot grow your experience level, your expert level. So I think it will help for you. So now see, just just this is the main model. Yes, and I think it will be helpful for you. So now I will go to the next drawing. This is the handlebar. Yeah, this is the isometric. Okay, and this is the 2D drawing. How to make this? Just you you can practice and follow this. Yes, this is the or impeller. This is the impeller. I already make how to make this, and you can practice with this 2D drawing. Now see, I am showing full view of this. Now you can take screenshot and you can practice. Or if you want to PDF file, just will confirm with my email and I will send you. Okay, don't worry. There are many dimension. Just at first you will understand it properly, then you will make. I already make this video how to make this. Okay, now I will go to in the next. Yeah, now see this is the this is the piston head. So I make this about how to make this piston head. So I am showing, you can take a screenshot for this. Yeah, this is the isometric, and this 2D drawing, this front view and top view. I think it will helpful for you. Okay, now I'll go to the next drawing. Yes, okay, this is the piston cap. This is the cap. I already make full piston assembly. You can check my playlist how to make this. Yes, this is the cap, and this is the front view and top view. You can practice to follow with this. Yes, okay, and the next tutorial this is the sheet metal tutorial, and I am showing full view. Now see, this is the full view. Just I am explain this. Yeah, now be carefully about this dimension, and you can screenshot from this. Yeah, okay, now I will go to in the next PDF. Now see, this is the water tap. I make it cross section. Just you show just this many dimension. I already make a video how to make this 3D. You can check my description or my channel playlist and find out and practice with this 2D drawing. Yes, now I'll go to this on the next. Now see, this is the table wise base. It is more complicated tutorial. So actually, if you want to practice with this, you can practice top view, front view, right side view. It will be more helpful as for beginners. Okay, you can take screenshot. If you want to need your PDF file, just you will knock me and say comment and I will send you. Okay. Yes. There are many 2D drawing. Just see and take screenshot. Yes. Now you can take a screenshot for this and you will practice. Okay. Now go to the next. Yeah, it is more helpful for beginners. You can take the screenshot and you can practice. Yes, now you can take screenshot. Actually, I am sharing the 2D drawing because many viewers are saying that they need 2D drawing. I think it will helpful for beginners. That's why I am sharing it. Please take screenshot. Okay. Next. Yeah. Now see, this is the next tutorial. I already make tutorial about this. If you want to practice, you can practice with me or with 2D drawing. Please take a screenshot. Yes. Okay. Now go to this next tutorial. This is the 2D drawing or another 2D drawing for beginners. Just you can practice with this and please take screenshot for your help. Yes. Yes. Now go to the next tutorial or next 2D drawing. Just please take screenshot and practice. Yeah. Now go to the next tutorial or next 2D drawing. Please take screenshot and practice with this 2D drawing. It will be helpful for beginners. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, again take screenshot. This is the inner bearing. It will be more helpful for beginners. Please take screenshot and practice. Okay. Now again, I already make a video how to make this. Please take a screenshot and practice. If you want to be expert, you have to practice lots. Don't have any option without practice. Please practice, practice. And I am always with you for help. Okay. If you want to face any problem, any issue, just knock me in my comment or in my email. You can knock me without hesitant, without any uneasy. You can chat with me. Yes. Now go to this another. Wow, it is fantastic tutorial. If you want to practice with me with 2D drawing, you can practice. I already make this video how to make this. If you want to practice, please collect screenshot and practice. Actually today I am just showing for this 2D drawing. If you want to collect your 2D drawing, you can collect by screenshot. Yes. Go another drawing. Just go to this another. Now see. I also make 3D model for this. You can practice with this 2D drawing. Yeah. Or another. Yes. Now see. You can practice with this. There are many. So dimension. You can practice and learn with this 2D drawing and 3D model. Yes. This is the last one. Yes. Sorry. Last one is this. Yes. This is the last one. Yeah. Okay. You can practice with this. This is the piston rod. Yeah. There are many dimensions. If you don't understand, you can knock me about this. Our all dimension is millimeter. All dimension in millimeters.